Hi, welcome to the homework section of our website. Students will have homework daily. If we by chance don't have homework that evening, I would definitely communicate that to you by placing an announcement on our website and also sending a Class Dojo message. So please keep that in mind. They will have homework daily. The first assignment is from Tuesday to Thursday. I'm giving a little bit of extra time so that we can get acclimated with using this site. The name of the site is Flipgrid, and what it is a video response that students will do. If you go down a little further, there is the written directions for you to take a look at. So for those of you that are using a desktop to access this, what you're going to do is you're going to enter your ID. Your ID is just simply going to be your first initial, middle initial, and last name. And that's what you're going to enter in as your ID. However, if you are downloading this on a cell phone, please download the app, and once you download the app, you're going to have to use this code. It's going to ask you for your code. Enter this code. After you enter this code, then it will ask you for your ID, which again will be your first initial, middle initial, and your last name. So let me go ahead and show you. I'm going to enter my code in, and then you click Let's Go. And it takes you directly to your first assignment. So up here it says welcome to our grid. This is a space where we will share ideas, highlights, and news. And then these are your directions. Share your name and something you like to do. And a quick tip, look at the camera and speak clearly. After you've read those, then you're going to click the huge green button there, and then it is going to load for a little while. The video will come up, and then press the center button and record your video. So please make sure you speak clearly, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me any questions. Thank you.